Before we opened the Meat Hook together, we both worked at a butcher shop in Virginia, and we tried to make a coffee and cigarette sausage. Not realizing that if you put tobacco leaves in a sausage and cook it, you could kill people. We stopped ourselves before it went in the case. It never saw the light of day, but we were like, oh shit. We're here at our butcher shop, the Meat Hook.
And today, we're gonna turn this bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich into a sausage. Let's go. We make over 80 varieties of sausage. We started making custom sausage varieties, A, because they sounded funny, and B, they sounded really delicious. So we started making things for fun. You make a couple Italian varieties, then you learn how to make a bratwurst, then you learn how to make a chorizo. Somehow, we've made it almost 10 years and never thought to make a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich sausage. Discovering what that sausage is going to be is its own journey. That's why we were going to take two roads, one classy, one trashy, to find out what is the better sausage.
Why this is such an iconic sandwich is because you can get this at every corner store in New York.
How would you describe that egg? It's like a scramble fry.
Scramble fry, yeah, flat top.
American cheese.
Definitely American.
I always go hot sauce mayo.
You go mayo?
I go mayo.
That's the glory of it. You can almost always get a Kaiser roll. You can usually get a potato roll. You can get it on a bagel.
We're gonna go classy first. So 20 pounds pork, 2 year cheddar.
1 pound raclette. 4 pounds bacon that will render down. Classy Cento breadcrumbs.
What do you want to do for the eggs?
Let's start with an even dozen, and let's just whip them like we're making scrambled eggs, and we'll put them in raw.
Trashy.
All right, 20 pounds pork, 3 pounds of Kraft singles. Now let's grind some house bacon, and then we'll render that into little bacon bits.
1 quart of Martin's breadcrumbs.
Eggs. We're doing raw on the other one. Let's cook these ones. So,
You think fry them?
yeah, let's fry them.
All right.
We're gonna put fried eggs in a sausage.
We're gonna put fried eggs in a sausage.
Well, if we're gonna do fried eggs, we should grind it through with the meat, just so you can get it evenly distributed. And that's
All
gonna look
fried.
gross.
And you'll actually get a chunk of egg in there. Yeah, I have newt chunk of egg.
So we're gonna make 20 pounds of the classy version, and then we're gonna make 20 pounds of the trashy version, put them side by side, and see which one is gonna be hitting the butcher case.
All of our pork is 100% pasture raised and comes from farms up in the Hudson Valley.
So last night, we got the pork cut into some small cubes. We started seasoning it with the bacon cure so we can get that saltiness and that sweetness into the sausage from the get-go.
One sausage that we've continually tried to make work that never does is Philly cheesesteak.
Oh, God.
The Reuben is also disgusting. Putting fermented cabbage and mayonnaise in a sausage doesn't really work.
I'm realizing that the sausages we're mentioning that are our failures are sandwiches. And now we're trying to make a
This is
sandwich.
also a sandwich.
In the arms race of classy versus trashy, which one do you think is going to come out ahead?
The cheese, I think, is going to be the defining factor, and I think the Kraft single is going to steal the show here because it's melty, so it kind of oozes out. It can't have too much flavor, which I think is what this raclette is immediately going to do.
Okay, since you're choosing the trashy, I'm going to take classy. I don't want classy to be all alone in a corner by itself, so.
We have our first pork mixture. Do a fine grind.
Now would be a good time to tell you that this sausage isn't going to be good for you. Let's play God. That's looking really good. This is the point of no return. This is the classy one.
I will say, you can feel the bacon inside. You can definitely see the cheese.
And the bind is pretty good. It means when we cook it and slice into it later, it's not gonna be crumbly, it's not gonna fall apart on us.
This is batch number 2. Part of the best thing of a bacon, egg, and cheese is all of the weird crispy bits. It's gotta be part of the sausage. Whoa, those are great.
My grinder eggs, my dog, my grinder eggs.
We met cooking in restaurants. This is our trashy approach, starting with our bacon bits.
We really lo-fied how we cut this, so it's just gonna be huge chunks of American cheese.
Some Texas Pete hot sauce. I feel like the orange of the American cheese is really shining on this one.
It really is. If the orange of the American cheese didn't get them, the orange of the potato rolls ought to do it. I mean, we did 2 different grinds, so this is like a lot more smooth looking, and this, you can see fat, you can see cheese, you can see meat, you can see bacon, so it's a little bit more colorful. This one is just American cheese and potato colored.
Throughout.
I think we might have just spent a lot of time trying to make something that might not work out, but we'll see. We're just gonna fry a few lengths of each one up.
Ooh.
Almost got your shoes. Almost got your shoes. Oh, got your pants. Got your pants. That American cheese is really, really oozy. Cool, we're done. God damn it, we did this.
Whoa.
We have our classy sausage here, which I'm actually feeling pretty good about now that we like actually saw it cooked up. And then we have our trashy sausage here, which looks like it almost came out of like a f***ing radioactivity, like I don't even know what, it's so orange. Kraft, way to go. Let's get the crew to try these.
Go for it.
Trashy, classy.
Classy, trashy.
It definitely tastes like a bacon, egg, and cheese.
Which one did you just try?
Trashy.
That one, on its own merits, is really good, but that one tastes more like a bacon, egg, and cheese.
Yeah.
It's too much.
do you think, Sonny?
I'm gonna go with the classy.
Yeah?
Yeah,
But do you think it tastes like a bacon, egg, and cheese?
I do.
Classy first.
What's an uptown girl right there?
That's trashy.
The f***ing bodega egg and cheese. I have to say, I was really skeptical
Yeah?
yesterday when you were dehydrating those Martin's rolls.
Yeah?
But you guys came through. I'm proud of you.
Cheers.
Wow.
God, that's so rich.
That's delicious.
Pretty good. I'm not sure it's like exactly like a bacon, egg, and cheese,
Right.
but you get the egg, you get the lardon. Would you say the lardons
Really?
are cooked pretty perfectly, Brent?
I don't know. Not
I'd say
as,
they were cooked pretty perfectly.
not as well as those eggs you fried. You definitely get the cheese.
Yeah. Raclette was a bold move.
Wow.
I actually really like the egg just put in raw. It's adding, I think, more to the texture that way as well. It's like a really, really good binder because there's so much protein there. Plus you're actually getting the flavor just really, really evenly throughout.
This is the trashy one, which actually just looks like bacon bits on the inside, but also actually bound.
You can see that's like really nicely studded. Worth noting that we know it for next time that Kraft cheese has a really low rendering point, which just means like it's gonna melt and it's gonna purge its fat at a very, very low temperature. So we might want to go with a stronger cheese next time, but let's try it.
That looks like one of the eggs that I cooked. It's really nice right there.
That tastes like a bacon, egg, and cheese
That
sandwich.
tastes like a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. The hot sauce really helps.
I think the trashy one actually tastes like a bacon, egg, and cheese, and we inadvertently with the classy one, I think with the cheese selection, I think it is almost like more like a croque monsieur than it is a bacon, egg, and cheese.
I kind of want to punch you right now,
Yeah.
but you're also kind of right.
Yeah. That's the fine line we ride like every single day here.
Surprisingly, I think we actually hit the mark and made a sandwich into a sausage.
Note on my back. I can finally sleep at night.
Really, full picture. You kind of taste everything.
Yeah.
It's really good. Let's talk a little bit about the cut. Deckle, also known as the second cut or the point, it's the fattier part of the